before I had a busy morning. This is the day after Miss Princess's birthday party. This is actually her real birthday. Today is her actual real birthday, so she is really 5 now. We did have some live streaming this morning. Fenista Gaming did some live streaming. Go check him out. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to his video for Fortnite, you know, stuff. Brad's he's just hanging out. What you doing, man?
I'm just laying here.
Okay, yeah, cool. Yeah. Miss Abigail did ask me to help her open up and put together this little box that she got.
From my birthday. Is an Elsa castle.
She asked if we could do a video and put it together. So of course, that's what we're gonna do. So, right quick, what do we do all the time on this channel? To kick things off, what do we say?
Press start.
Fenistamagic Ninja School. Ooh, he's feisty. So feisty. Okay, first things first, we gotta open it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Get your trusty knife. Open it up, baby.
Here's the instructions.
The instructions. So bag 1. We got a little slide there.
Yeah.
So bag 1.
That's a little Elsa.
Okay, so let's open up the bag. There you go. Wanna dump it out? She looks funny bald, huh?
Here's Elsa.
There's Elsa. You see Elsa? Okay, let's do this. You need this piece and 3 of these. Okay. Oh, we gotta put some little things on top of there. Here, look. You see it goes on each side. Yeah, I'm cold. Here, yep. I got a Miss Fenistamagic hair right on me. Okay. Get that out of here.
Stop it! I just love it. It's so fun. Yay!
We finished up the ice castle with Miss Abigail, which I really enjoyed. That was super cool that she asked me to do a video with her and put the Lego castle or the ice castle together. Now, me and old Mr. Fenista Gaming here are getting set up to bring you some content on a live stream. Not right now, but go check out it'll be up, or probably already be up by the time you see this video.
Yeah, it'll already be up.
We're going to do some live streaming on Black Ops 3, right?
Yeah.
3? Yeah. So we just finished doing a thumbnail and all that. Let me show you the thumbnail real quick. Hold on. This is said thumbnail, so look for that on the on my channel, I guess. This is our setup, by the way. We have the streaming laptop. We have our other laptop that we read our chat with. Got our nice lighting setup. Oh yeah, so crispy. And the webcam. Webcam's going. Here it is. I found it. All things have been prepped and ready to go. We're about to hit the go button. The only thing is we don't have 2 headsets, so we're playing against bots anyway. Yeah. Streaming is all finished. We are done. Now the kids are playing. We've got to get off of the electronics devices, and we're having a fun playing. And I want to let me show you something.
He's gonna try to collect a bunch of relics. We have to try to stop him from doing that, and he wants to rule everything, like all time and space. Okay?
So he could breathe in space and time.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to go make something.
Let's go. Is it like with a wheel?
A wheel. So we're gonna need a flat piece first.
Flat piece. Got it.
Let me over here. like a flat plate.
Flat plate.
Yeah.
Look at Ursula.
Ursula. Oh, she's evil.
I'm looking for Ariel, but I can't see her.
Oh, you don't know where Ariel is?
No.
We have to find Ariel. After an exhaustive search, we found her.
All right, here's our relic. Our relics. I have kryptonite, a sack,
A sack.
the arc reactor from Iron Man, Tesseract, and the Power Stone.
These make the whole wide world is.
The bad guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the bad guy has a secret base.
Since it's your birthday day, and you actually turned 5 today, you get some birthday cake. If I could hold the camera without shaking it. Shaking. Y'all are matching. Y'all are matching. We matched yesterday. Representing. I'm always representing. I got a freaking tattoo on my shoulder.
That's true. And on your back, but yeah.
Miss Fenistamagic is home now for the day. We're enjoying this. We're glad that we're all together now. All together. It's like a circle. What?
All together, that song?
All together?
All together. Oh, it's not. It's come together. My bad.
That's good stuff right there.
It happens.
That's quality content. So we had a fun day though. Appreciate everybody coming along with us. We hope you enjoyed the video. Please like,
Subscribe.
And slap the bell.
like he always says. We love y'all. Definitely see y'all on the next one. Bye.
Bye.